Hi everyone, today I'm going out. I'm going to continue my trial review and off I go. I got my Bluetooth in my ear. I totally forgot it and I heard a ding. Hi everyone, I'm going to tell you how I have my GoPro Hero 10 set up at this given time. 4K at 30, linear plus horizon, hyper smooth at high, and sharpness is on medium default, ISO minimum 100, maximum 1600, and it's windy as can be, and I'm using the media module with the Rode Wireless Go, and I do have to go in and correctly set up to powered mic, because that's exactly what it is. It's a powered mic. I have a Blue Nook. It's battery operated and the camera is always going to be on, and I got the actual video record timer set to 3 seconds. So now you have all my settings. This is going to be a nice long video review. The scene is overcast and sun coming out. It's going to be a mixture, not 100% blue skies, and the wind is kicking. How is that for a nice long introduction? So let me go reset the Rode Wireless Go. I went to operate my camera just to check it out before, getting the bike and everything. And as soon as I put it onto this Blue Nook, I didn't hook it up yet, and I noticed a red LED on the camera. And by the time I was getting my other camera to record the issue, it turned off. What gives with that? Could it have been when I hooked up the Rode Wireless Go to the side that it just felt the presence of it? One of the things I've noticed during playback, trying to delete the unwanted files, I had issues. Every time I hit the delete button, nothing happened. What gives with that? I got to put that down on my iPhone note list. I'm not trying to make this like a downer video, people, but I gotta make some notes, and I'm sharing it to the world. The media module's on, and I should be using it to show you actually how the official GoPro products work. But the problem right now is I chose in the media module on the shortcut, the wind. It's disabled. What gives, GoPro? I got the media module only on. The wind hasn't kicked into the camera yet. It's stopped. It's on wind and the shortcut's lit, all set up. So that's an awesome test for people to know. Do you know how to get into the shortcuts? They're on your screen. Just simply touch it, hold on to it, give a long press, and then you're able to choose anything you want and scroll to your scene media module. And then you could choose just the wind or wind off. You can't choose the standard plus. How sweet is that? GoPro Hero 10 did a good thing. So what I'm going to go do right now is I'm going to put back on my Rode Wireless Go with its own little dead cat and this foamy dead cat of GoPro. They should come out with their own dead cat with the fur on it, right? My exposure lock just somehow, came on out of nowhere and stayed on. And I had to go make sure I switched screens. I don't get it, GoPro. It's still buggy an issue. I got my trial, it's almost up. Look at all the Canadian geese and the other type of ducks here and the swans. A very choppy water, very high tide. And it's a fire over there. It's not a fire, it's just the vents from the sewers. We could go over there and capture the steam in slow motion. Beautiful time lapse, and I'm not holding my camera steady, and that's what horizon level's all about. I do a real nice slow pan. I do apologize for the my stuttering of the pan. Oh man, that's a beautiful shot. I've shown you a video of fire underneath and the power lines, and they do go and they do give. and I couldn't get the video of it sound, so I had to do my own narration. So here I am. I'm heading down towards the beaches, and yeah, gotta look both ways. Hang on, people. No cars coming. I'm just kidding. Overcast, windy. I want to get this review out. I'm doing it in 4K for a good reason, and I'll tell you in a second, so I don't want to give you the bumps that are coming up. My editor on my laptop, it just doesn't want to do what it wants to do. But I have a Surface Pro 4 and still doing it. And I did it last afternoon, editing my overheating test in the barbecue. You want to check that video out whenever it ever gets done. 5.3K, good luck for me. For you, you may be already updated with all those highest definition HK TV, 8K laptops. Not me. Not poor little me. I'm just a poor guy. Kind of spoiled with my Osmo Action, man. And I tell you, I got too much of this in my belly right now. No. Osmo Action, get your act together. We want a video timer. And that's a good thing with this Hero camera of GoPro, the Hero 10. I could be on my bike, I could hit the record button, and I'm all set up. Oh, the wind is kicking. I don't know if you're gonna hear me, guys, but I'll do my best. And when I edit the video, I'll try to do something for you. The cruise is coming in. The cruise ships are coming in. They're coming in. Oh man, if I had my GoPro Hero 10, I got my GoPro Hero 10. I'm beyond that cruise ship and having a blast of a time. Maybe they're all coming in and going to purchase their GoPro Hero 10 because it just came out. I had a perfect run, time lapse, and I couldn't come down here to get the whole time lapse. But I got some issues with trying to, hit the time lapse profile. I just don't get it. I'm not going to worry about it. I don't have a long story about the camera to offer you enough information. I'm hoping to be a long-term user, and everything that's happening doesn't make me that long-term user today. I wish I could take time-lapse and go to real-time with audio. I wish I could take regular video and go directly with slow motion. I can't. We're on slow motion, audio, wind is kicking. I'm not sure what slow motion was 8 times. I did it by shortcut. That's an awesome shot. I don't even know if they're flying. Yeah, I could have looked in the viewfinder. I didn't. You gotta remember, fish, you got a viewfinder to use. Well, I don't have to pedal now. I'm gonna have such a hard time going back. I got the wind kicking as strong as can be. I'm having fun using my Hero 10. I gotta go find a spot and go set up. Beautiful shot. Daniel Bike NYC did that.